Is that what I think it is?
We bought this abandoned storage unit for $30. Let's see what's inside.
Uh-oh.
Ooh. All right, let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out real quick. So, I'm gonna start out with this bag.
What we got, boo?
Personal paperwork, so we have to return this right here.
Somebody's homework.
Yep. Got some beat up flip-flops. Put to the side. What you got? See if there's any money inside. Let me see. Maybe we can find some money or something. What is this? Poly grip? What in the world?
That's funny.
Yep, you don't need that. Alright, it's a pretty nice bag though.
It is. Is that, what type? Let me see that brand on the bottom.
Embark.
Okay.
Whoa.
Do not want to touch nobody dirty laundry.
Like he has a lot of... Nope.
Yeah, that's a no.
Nope. You sure you don't? What was his little I Love Jesus hat?
That we do.
Yeah, that's a dope hat right there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Let's see, what else you got up here? Just clothes.
A lot of different clothing items.
Yeah, let's see what type of clothing you got up here.
Any name brand. I think I see that Under Armour in there.
Under Armour? What is this? Oh, eyes on that. Nothing.
It looked like LL Bean.
It does. St. John's Bay.
Okay.
Let's see. Beneath. Nope, there's nothing. Nothing's in there. So it's not much. Old Glory.
Wow.
Old Glory. Hey
Old
guys,
Glory?
look. If we can get up to 200 likes on this video, I'll wear this.
Use it for your Christmas party sweater?
I'll wear it in the next video. Alright, let's see about this one. Deodorant, toothpaste, a lighter. Nothing's in there.
Yeah, seems like somebody's overnight bag.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Yep, toiletries.
Okay,
Yep.
just some more basic stuff.
Yep, nothing in there.
All right, let's see what else.
This is the reason why we wanted this auction, was because of these shoes right here. You see them? But looking at them, guys, these shoes are super beat. Like, look at this.
Look at the bottom.
Super trashed.
Done.
So, $30. No profit right now. And they stink. You smell that?
Yeah, it's a strong odor.
Ooh.
Maybe we'll find some more good stuff in here, though.
Got a bag right here full of something.
Cali.
Yep. Just check it out.
We got some extension cords. Everybody needs some Mr. Clean in their life.
This fella, what was he doing? Lubriderm lotion. Oh, got a flashlight.
Probably going on a hiking trip.
I guess. Got some other stuff.
Miscellaneous.
Alright. We got a bag right here.
What we got in there, boo?
I don't see anything.
Not much of nothing.
Some nighttime. You might need that, huh?
Actually, it's a few of them. What, this joker have a pharmacy?
Got some raisins. You got some other stuff in here I can't show you guys. Right now, our profit is $0.
Still got faith, babe.
Plastic hat.
There you go.
I'm gonna wear this, yeah. Alright, let's check this out. Just some clothes.
Just a bin of clothes. So much for your hat.
What is this? Brooks Brothers?
We have sold a few Brooks Brothers.
What is this? Nope, nothing.
Cool looking wallet.
Let's see if there's anything in it. Oh, look. It's just some paper.
How much on that?
Nothing. We gotta make a profit or something.
I know. So far, this is our death pile, y'all. I wonder, what size was this unit, babe? You remember?
I think it's like a... I don't even know. It looks like a like a 5 by 8 or something.
Yeah. Is that brand new?
Yep, brand new. Charles. So we probably get like $15, $20 for this one.
Nice.
15, 20 for this one.
Okay. Our profit stack, you guys.
You want a waist trimmer?
Not at all.
You sure about that?
Positive.
Look, found some Adidas.
Okay.
But these are super beat too.
Yeah.
Man, all these shoes, you guys beat.
Do a crazy beater lot.
I know, right?
I don't know if anybody would get them though.
Samsung, nothing in it. Got the case. Nothing in it. He must have been like a college student or something.
Yeah. Well, so actually, where this unit is, you guys, it's actually like college dorms right across the street. So it is very possible this was a college student because we have homework, we have the overnight bag, we got the medicine kits, and then the rest of the stuff. It's still somewhere to go, babe.
It's still some more. That's trash. This is trash. He has a ton of stuff I can't show you.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Personal stuff, you know?
Okay. Definitely a college student then.
Yep, this is nothing.
Hey, we can use that box though for packaging.
Oh, yeah.
Let's look on the bright side. Looks like a hot water maker back there.
A hot water maker?
Yeah. Or coffee pot. Let's see.
This is our first unit we've ever bought, guys. What is this?
What is? Oh, the old school, the handheld phone.
Mm-hmm. With the little modem.
I'm sure our kids will look at that and be like, what is that?
Got some, look, CVS Health dry mouth spray. But look, you do not want to sell anything from CVS on eBay. You'll get banned.
Yeah,
For real.
we don't want them problems.
So we're gonna put that right here.
See, look, we can use that plastic container. Looks like it's in good condition. Let's see what we can find on this other half. So, it's a really heavy bag, y'all. Of course, Derek leads me to grab the heavy bag. Let me break it out here and show you guys what's in it. So you got a little clipboard container thing. It's probably personal stuff in here. Let's see. Yeah, just personal paperwork. Application for housing. So yes, college student more than likely. Just a lot of personal papers.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll return that to the front.
Yep. All right. I need my gloves, baby. Look. Yeah, so it looks like it's dirty towels, plastic bag. Oh, but we do have a really nice iron. Hamilton Beach. So it's actually very lightweight. It looks new. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks brand new.
Yeah, so I don't know, but we could probably get something for that. Yep, about $10. And, we got a wrapped up pair of shoes. Let's see what we got here, you guys. These are...
Chelsea boots.
Yeah, these are...
Does it have a brand on it?
It does not. Hold
On
on.
the bottom.
Yeah, not
They're not worth nothing.
anything.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not as bad. I mean, they're not horrible condition, though.
Yeah.
Yep, so, anyways. Boots are a flop. But we do have the Holy Bible. Oh, it's actually in pretty good condition.
Now, we do sell Bibles.
Yeah, so we'll put that over here, and that is pretty much it for this wonderful bag. All right, let's keep looking, y'all. We got some more personal items and paperwork. We do have this dumbbell. Oh, look at that.
Don't hurt yourself.
Feels like 15. Bet you can't lift this boot. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, we have sold dumbbells before. It's just the weight of it.
Yeah,
you know?
well, we can put it in the padded flat rate.
Yep. Okay. And we have this huge duffel bag, you guys.
$30.
All right. Let me slide this right here. And let's see. You see how heavy it is, though. All right. Wish us luck. All right. Last bag. So it looks like we have some clothes. Just trying to see if it's any brands. Nah. Let's see. PD and C?
No.
Nah. This is wrapped up. Can't really tell what it is. It's something brand new. What you think, babe? I don't know. I'll put it to the side for now. All right. Got some shorts. Chef design. Nope, not worth nothing. This feels like a pair of shoes. It almost feels like some Converses, but let's see. All these shoes are just these are Ben Sherman.
Yep.
So, nope. Nothing for that. Nothing for the bag. This is wrapped up. Hold on. So these are unlisted black dress pants.
Dress shoes?
That's what I meant to say, dress shoes. And some Nordstrom racks.
Okay.
They felt the need to bubble wrap them.
I know, right?
I don't know. It's a little misleading. I mean, they're not horrible condition. You could probably get something for it, babe.
Yeah.
If not like $10, 10, 15. And let's see what else they got bubble wrapped in here. Stacey Adams, sorry. No Gucci.
Dang it.
No Gucci this time. All right, well, so much for our bubble wrap, you guys. All right, we have a tie. I don't know why they put their shirts inside out. Is that like a thing?
I don't know.
I don't know. All these are the Stafford shirts. Okay, I'm gonna stand up a little bit, y'all, to stretch my legs because they're going to sleep some. Not much. Let's see, we got a little vest. Not Gucci, boo.
Oh, man.
I'm trying to see if it's anything.
Yeah.
Nah, J. Farrar. Nope, nope, nope. All right, we got some more of these dress shirts.
No.
This doesn't feel like anything, but you know, you never know. You always got to check, right? Got stains on it. Remind me to wash my hands after this.
I will.
All right, same old, same old. Let's see. These are all the shirts, you guys. So really,
Maybe we should go out to eat and then
that makes me
I
happy.
won't
Is that a bit?
remind you to wash your hands.
Horrible. All right, we got some more dress pants. Some Romas.
No.
Never heard of that. Some more dress pants. Van Heusen.
No.
Oh, you guys. It's all good.
Find some designer or something.
I know. Nope. And the last bit, I guess the guy was trying to dress sharp.
Okay.
Designed in Italy.
What is that?
Lucci.
Not the Lucci, not the Gucci, but the
Hey,
Lucci.
they got us. Almost. So, that is it. Let me just double check on the sides of this duffel bag. It feels like something's in here.
At your own risk.
I know, seriously. No, these are masks. Let's see. And it looks like some personal cards. That's it on this side, and over here, not really sure what that is.
Well, open it up, see what it is, but be careful.
I don't know what that is, and I don't want to open it.
Ooh, there gotta be something. We gotta drop it right here.
Yeah,
We gotta drop it right here.
you do that.
Let's see what's inside of this, y'all. We gotta see. Oh, it look like a
I'm not touching that.
teeth, bro.
I'm not touching that.
Man, if this is teeth, look, we gotta.
Here, how about we switch?
Yeah. It stinks too, man.
Are you seriously about to touch somebody's teeth, babe? How committed are you to this storage unit, babe? That's what I want to know.
Look, this right here costs more than $30. Oh my goodness, y'all, look.
What is that?
Look.
Ew. Is that what I think it is?
Guys.
Yo, this is
Yo,
so.
this is a whole mouth.
Oh my god.
That's a
Yeah.
whole
Oh
mouth
my
right
gosh.
there.
I don't. Can't even show that.
All right.
We're
This
done.
is crazy. We're done. We're done. It's
Wrap it
over.
up.
We made probably like $20, so we're still in the negative. So we have to find a way to recoup this. So we're probably going to hit a thrift or something and see what we can find.